Uh, I'm kind of really not sure what the fuck this is in my TV. What the fuck is this? This morning I just woke up and the TV was just like this, and I just came down here and this, I can't find the part with, like, the grill saying like that, I don't know if this is supposed to be important, or I don't know what they took out of here with, because I see the little plugs right there. There's a fan, and what you're looking at, what's bright, is the little cubes in there, glass cubes. It's colorful. Like a mirror. If you know what this is, kind of just like, just comment and inbox me, and I don't know. Like I said, I'm Laurie's brother, and I'm the one who upload videos on YouTube. She just gets someone to just watch everybody else's videos, but like I said, I'm Lauren. We share accounts. I just want to know what this thing right here is. This little square mirror with cubes inside of it, like bubble cubes. And that's the TV. Really strange. Flat screen TV. With this thing. Whatever.